Okay, since I bought a jack lifter from Shopee or Lazada, I forgot. Ganito kasi yung nangyari. Ayan, dumudulas kasi yung lifter kasi ball bearing yung dulo niya. So what I did is gumawa na lang ako ng jig, which is a standard 600 mm. Kasi 600 mm to dapat from here to here. So ginawan ko na lang siya ng jig to easily lift the cabinet without any assistance of other people. So pwedeng gawin mo lang mag-isa. Ayan, so that's standard 600 mm from the tabletop. So that's why hinilagyan ko na lang siya ng tabletop dito, sample, para exactly siya. So that is the actual height. Yan. So yan, iakyat natin, apat siya, ganyan. Alright.